TSO just released a new tool today, and I think you're going to like it. Hi, I'm Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. Let's head into the shop and open this up. TSO Power-Loc toggle clamp. Every tool that TSO puts out is designed to help woodworkers be more accurate and more efficient, and this is no exception. In this case, they've taken the time-tested Bessey STC H870 horizontal clamp and made it better. You, the Smart Woodshop family, are very familiar with the Power-Loc. In fact, it was designed by one of you. David Reisinger came up with this very unique, one-of-a-kind bench dog that can be dropped into any of the 20mm holes and attach the accessories from the top without having a knob or a second part. What the engineers at TSO have done to create the TSO Power-Loc toggle is to combine two great proven products to make this clamp more efficient, more usable than it's ever been. By adding a shorter version of the Power-Loc to the Bessey clamp, it can now be used on any MFT table in any of the 20mm holes. This allows you the flexibility to move it around to whatever clamping position you have and not have to have it put on a jig or fixture, or to have set up with a dog and a knob where you have to reach under and tighten it on. Choose the best location for your project and just simply drop the Power-Loc dog into the nearest 20mm hole. And then with a standard 5mm Allen key, or one of these that you can also get from TSO, you just drop it with the handle up just a little bit. You drop it in, and all you have to do is spin it, and that lug will turn and lock on the bottom. You don't need to over tighten it. And then it's ready to clamp. As you know, with these Bessey clamps, the beauty of them is that they have up to 550 pounds of clamping pressure, which is adjustable with a simple Allen key off the back. But also the range of clamping varies without you having to change anything. From 1/2 inch to 3/4 to 1.5 inches, and even 1.5 and 3/4 together. And that's without adjusting the clamp at all. So you get quite a range, and you don't need to make the clamp really tight. That lug just kind of rotated and snugged up a bit is all you need to hold the clamp down. It can lean back a little bit and it won't hurt anything. You can also rotate it for varying your clamping needs right from the same hole. So when you're done with that operation, it's just a simple matter of spinning the screw until that lug spins around and lines up with the hole, so it'll come straight out. And then I can drop it into, any hole, moving it around. So you can see how having just one or two of these clamps can be really flexible. In fact, I have an idea about these. The way I've used these and the way that most woodworkers I know that use these, they put these into jigs. They'll build up plywood jigs for specific operations, things that they're going to repeat over and over again, a certain kind of route, or a certain milling operation, or a certain type of glue up. And they'll put 4 bolts, nuts, and washers through their jig so the clamp is in its right position, and then they'll just clamp the jig down and they can do the repeatable operation. But they dedicate that clamp to that jig. It's too much work to pull 4 bolts with the nuts and washers and move them around to a different location. And also, how do you snug it down? You've got to have some way to, hold this thing down, and that's where they've been beautiful for setting them up with jigs. So now, instead of dedicating an expensive, high-quality clamp to a single operation, you can build that same jig, but instead of drilling 4 holes and doing the bolts and nuts, you can just simply drill a 20mm hole. In fact, maybe multiples to make the jig adjustable, and then just drop this in that hole and tighten it up. And when you're ready to move on to the next operation, you can undo it and move it to another jig or just store it away. This is a value proposition. It's a high quality, expensive clamp, but in this case, now I can pick up maybe 2 or 4 of them and leverage them over as many jigs as I can create rather than dedicating 1 of these or 2 of these for each and every jig. I said in the beginning of this video that TSO brings accuracy and efficiency to the wood shop by creating high quality tools that extend or leverage the tools that we already have, like our track saw and our MFT table. I'll put a link to the TSO Power-Loc in the description of this video down below. If you enjoyed tool time here at the Smart Wood Shop, then be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, it's important to hit that notification bell so that YouTube will let you know whenever I put up a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.